Hello everyone, and in this video we are going to discuss about while loop and do while loop. So I have a file opened and I open the same file in the browser as well. So let's start. So first of all we create a while loop by keyword while, and then we provide the condition and then the body of the while loop. So let's create a variable. So let a number is equal to 1, and when this number is less than 5, so we will log it. So console.log the number and number plus plus. So until the number is less than 5, we will log the number and we will increment it by 1. So here you can see 1, 2, 3, 4. And as soon as the number is 5, then the condition is false, so we will not execute the loop. So that's how we create a while loop. So now let's comment this and let's create an array. So let my array is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and let's create another variable, that is I is equal to 0 for the loops. So while my array of I and we will increment the I with 1 and console.log my array of I. So that's how we can loop through the array. So let's refresh the page and you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Similar values like this, and we start from 0. So we go through this array and we log the value and then we increment the I. So that's how we can loop through an array while using the while loop. Now let's say we have total $5 in our pocket. So total price, we will go for shopping if the total price is less than 5. Okay. So while total price is less than 5, then what we will do is we will go for shopping and we will continue the shopping. So while total price is less than 5, let's go for shopping and total price plus 1 plus plus. So let me refresh the page, and as you can see the total price is already 5, which is not less than 5. So the condition is false, so we are not executing this loop even one time. Okay, but if I write here 1 and I refresh the page, then you can see shopping and it executed 4 times. So we executed this while loop 4 times. Okay. Now here we have a do while loop. So do and while. So we will write the while condition at the end, and we will write the do first. So here I will write the condition. So total price is less than 5, and here I will write something. So even if the condition is false here, this will be executed. So console.log shopping and total price plus plus. So let me refresh the page, and you can see total price is 1 and the total price is less than 5. So we see shopping 4 times. So when the condition becomes false, we can't see anything. But let's say we change this to 5, and you can see shopping here 1 time. Even if the condition is false, this will be executed once. So let's say we want to show some other message uh, rather than shopping. So if total price is less than 5, then we will show this. So let me refresh. So now you can't see anything. So what we will do is I will write here in else condition and console.log and no money for shopping. And you can see even if the condition is false, we are executing this loop once, and here we are checking if the total price is less than 5, then we will go for shopping. Else we will say no money for shopping. So that's all about while loop, and see you in the next video.